You're not getting it. Don't restrain him.
Drink and drive. Yeah, drink and drive, baby. Ow, live.
You gotta be quiet.
We are live.
I'm walking up this way. Okay.
Walking down the street.
Right. Five.
We are live.
Alex, you about to get started on this.
Alex, we're live. Ow. Alex, we're live. He spilled the water like an idiot.
All right.
Glanced at the camera.
Yeah.
Hello.
Is there anyone watching?
No one's watching yet.
We're in the middle of school.
We're in the middle of school and 90% of my subscribers are children.
90% of Yeah.
I doubt there's any 85-year-old.
Camera.
Wait, no. Come over here. Wow.
What are you doing?
You're drinking. Alright.
Why do we have to work?
Alright, we're gonna start from square one. Ready? Okay.
Square one,
Back here. Yeah.
cubed one. Let's get on top of the stage.
Hey, Alex, please. Y'all like all of Hey, Spencer.
Move.
I swear, don't mess this up.
I'm moving.
No, out of the shot. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. But first, I have to actually make gear still. What? Alright. Yeah. How do you go? Ow!
This is not gonna be. How is this our final day to record things?
Can you mop that up?
I don't know what a mop. Right back in.
Alright, you ready?
This right here is McDonald's drive-thru.
Hello. How are you doing today?
This looks like
Third.
I was third.
The third hour. Yeah, it's almost my third hour. Minus you two. All right, have fun. Be great. You two, be careful.
Alright, Jackson, I'm here with the chair. Where's McDonald's?
Don't drink and drive.
Alright, he's going to the drive-thru, so it has to look like a drive-thru.
we have to record him like going down the road.
Okay.
And then like stop it, and then when he gets here.
Hopefully this is legal. I don't know if I'm gonna get banned for doing this. What do you think? I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm intrigued to see what will happen. So
Okay, be quiet. Action. Wait. 3, 2. Hold up. I'm like 3, 2. No, not yet. 2,
freaking
1. Action. I don't know who to be my big man now. So I'm not
cringe. You almost fell down the stairs. 2 of them. I just need to think of her.
I just stand like Keanu something.
A vicious cup. Vicious cup.
Okay. You gotta redo that. So time to go to, you just say time to go to McDonald's. Alright, watch out.
Get out of the scene.
You're still in the scene.
Get out of the scene. Let me get over there. All right. You're lucky.
3, 2, 1, action. Time to go to McDonald's. Okay. Get out of the chair. Out the chair.
One beer does this.
Wait, then I don't have. Braxton, you're gonna fall. Alright, come on, Braxton. Alright, I'm turning right here. Alright, let's keep right. I feel like that actually making like all night.
Like,
No, I haven't gone to Jason.
What is this?
Yeah, but you're gonna be coming up.
All right.
I'm about to.
What are you doing in our show? We're not filming yet, but we are. Oh, okay.
I get out.
Not everything. This tea.
I have tea, which is good for you, better than water. I'm offended.
Yo, I need to get some of this. He's like in a noose. He's like in a noose.
Alright, ready? Wait. Let's go. Let's start. Goodbye, my friends. Hey, Braxton, you gotta actually record this. How should I do this? Let me do one pass.
All right, we're gonna do.
Beat drum. Tea. Wait, can we have like a right video, like how we like?
I'm filming all of this. Oh my god!
That's where speed then.
I'm filming all this. I'm filming all this for the bloopers, by the way. This is great. I'm filming all this for the bloopers. It's great. I can edit it on YouTube later.
You gotta watch out. You're gonna go and drive this.
All right.
She's gonna crush me. 1, 2.
He's gonna go past. This is gonna be great. Go back. Did you get it?
Enter hyperspace.
Hyperdrive.
I like the no. Don't touch my nose. Swerving everywhere. I've touched many noses. Excuse me, that's what my mom taught me.
She taught you Hong Kong?
A hot German. Yeah, like that.
360s. Yeah, no one's watching this. This is great. Great. Oh, there's a policeman coming.
We're gonna fail.
We're gonna fail.
When do I get?
We're not gonna fail. Oh, run! I want to still get some of this for the bloopers.
No, but you have to say the muted drum. No, that's just. You can't control your voice. No, you gotta ask for stuff that's like not even on the menu. Like you gotta ask for like alligator. Can I have some
They might have that at McDonald's.
3, 2, 1. No, start from that
I gotta go backwards.
Dun, dun.
Go back on the corner.
Start from like right
Oh,
there.
big push.
Big plush.
We need the drunk goggles.
I'd like to order a toy.
They would be the full.
Go forward.
You should get the junk goggles.
You should do that thing that is like.
Alright, go start from right there.
No, you should do the thing that's like, I like to order a toy, and she gives you the cocaine. If you know what that means.
Alright. 3,
I bet you don't.
1.
You get a pizza.
Okay.
Editor's words.
Sorry.
Editor's words. Let's see what he has to say.
They suck at drinking.
Great words by the editor himself.
And then that. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, just wait over there for your order.
Alright. You gotta be like, this dude's obviously drunk, so you gotta just
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, I need like something.
finger phone.
I'm gonna steal that and pretend to call 911 on it.
You're gonna steal my
Fine.
phone?
I'll just no. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna call 911.
Wait, 3, 3,
Alex, you have to be ready to get the phone call.
Can you shut up?
3, 2, 1.
Hello, there's a drunk driver at this McDonald's.
Scene. History has been made. I don't know which one.
3, 2, 1.
911. Hello, there's a drunk driver at McDonald's.
Why does it make that noise, dude?
Alright, now you gotta get on the other line. You gotta say, where's the McDonald's located?
Where is this McDonald's located at this very fine day?
Okay, wait. 3.
Very
Very
fine day.
3, 2, 1, go.
Where's this McDonald's located, sir?
He stopped him before he could finish his sentence. It's no time. It's no fine time for misgendering.
Coney Lane
Coney Lane?
from, yeah,
Coney, Michigan.
Coney Lane.
Wait, guys.
Located in Coney Lane.
He said wait.
Wait, he'll be back. 3, 2, 1.
On Coney Lane.
Wait, we have to do it again, but say it louder.
Here you go.
No.
Yes.
I sound ridiculous.
No, okay.
Okay.
Just give more emotion this time.
3, 2, 1.
On Coney Lane.
Alright, there you go.
Okay, it's okay.
Freddy.
Okay, so go up to her and be like,
No.
put your hand up there.
I'm gonna have to do it.
Alright, Maggie, stand right back there where you were. And then Alex, come here.
Where's the? No, he's making
He needs the police car.
Alright, no, I don't.
He needs the
Don't
police
drive.
car.
the teacher's lounge jail.
Alright, come on.
You're gonna go to the teacher's lounge. No, I don't. I swear you do. Because every time you're like the teacher's lounge. No, you should report me.
The teacher's lounge.
The teacher's lounge.
Ready, say, what, you're gonna be just shaking and be like, where's my slushy stick? Stuff like that. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Out of all the things he orders,
Yeah.
Out of all the things, he wants just a slushie.
Mom, go over here. Meow.
Meow.
Okay, who is the corporate?
Alright, stand up. No, you gotta stand up. You gotta ask where he's at. You gotta be like, so where is he at?
So where?
What's how expensive this is?
Oh. Yeah, right.
So where is this?
Okay, wait.
Person.
Stand up. Stand next to him a little bit so I can.
So where is the drunk driver?
Alright,
where
3, 2. Wait, Braxton's in there. 3, 2, 1.
So how was your day? Where is this guy?
You don't ask. How's your day? You just ask.
Where is the sky? The sky is up.
So how was your day? No.
Where is the sky? It's up.
You say, so where's the drunk driver at? That's all you say.
Okay.
3, 2.
Camera reception.
Get your noodles out.
It's camera reception.
Ew. 3, 2. Wait, stand a little bit closer because you still can't see you.
Wow.
No, like stay where you are.
Oh my.
I just told you to take a step forward.
I'm asleep piano.
Alright, step forward. Forward.
Okay.
Alright, there you go. Perfect. Look at him.
Show more emotion this time.
I mean, yeah. We already looked at her.
Calm down.
Look at her.
That proves my fears.
Don't look at the camera. Look at her.
I can't.
Alright, are you saying is where's the drunk driver? 3. Okay, Alex.
We'll talk about it later.
Ryan will be better.
It is taking like 20 minutes just to film this one scene.
Oh my god, wait.
It's like a 2-second scene. Stand closer. 3, 2,
The creepy
1.
policeman.
3, 2, 1.
So where is the person?
He's over there.
You say where? Alex.
He's over there. Went away. He's over there, gone. Well, I guess he just lost his chair. This is a great way to film dramatic shots.
Wait, is that Braxton actually in the?
Alright. Just say.
I think he actually is in the.
Just say he's over there.
Why is he?
Alright,
The man of the hour.
Where's the guy? Where's the guy? Tell me.
The scene is just her saying he's over there. Oh, 3, 2, 1.
He's over there.
Alright, we need.
Sit in the chair.
Sit in the.
I got it.
Wait, why?
You're on YouTube, by the way. Just so you know.
No, you're important to the scene, Braxton.
Come over here, bro. No, we need him.
He needs to.
Wait, what do you need help with?
We need him.
Go ahead.
Okay, I guess I'll be the drunk driver.
No, you can't, because we already recorded.
It would make no
I don't
sense.
care.
I'm gonna get your music a food.
What?
Oh,
No one needs to see that.
I felt a bumpy bump.
And now we show him driving. Boost. Nitro boost. Just. I was just like, why is it so suddenly hard to push? Nutavia!
Who's watching that? Is anybody even watching that?
No one's watching this yet. Everyone's at school. Usually I have Gavin and someone else watching, but no. They probably got my message that I'm live streaming in class and their phone's just going off.
We're waiting for Braxton and Maggie is picking.
You know what I do want to do?
What do you want
I
to
want to
do?
go home and play Fry. I want to go play some
This is gonna become a meme or something. I want to play GIF Raff. You want to play
I wanna-
the Friday the 13th?
No, I want to be. Oh yeah, I want to play the Friday 13th.
Friday the 13th.
Friday 13th.
Hey, at least
He's back.
I'm here. Good. Out.
I'll go in there. But I gotta get her back first.
Freaking.
No, don't.
Okay, you can stop doing that.
Alright, sit down.
Wipe out. I got that. I got that.
Say, you're coming with me, and you get him, and you hand him, and you guys walk over there.
That was live on YouTube.
And you're like, you can't have your ballot. So
All right.
watch out. Yeah, you say you're coming with me, you're under arrest.
Okay, you're under arrest.
That's already over. Then you gotta walk down over there.
The spinning's already over.
Oh, you know what?
Wait, stop. Let me just say go yet. 3, 2, wait, hold on. Wait.
He's just doing donuts in his
So there's 3 separate streams. I'll put them all together.
1, 0. Sir, have you been drinking tonight? Then why are you driving?
I never even said to do that. You just say go.
Wait, what?
No, you have to ask him if he's been drinking.
Well, we did that.
Falsely accuse someone of drinking.
Hey, you're drinking and come with me.
Drinking, we're dead.
Okay, now you're under arrest. You're affiliated.
Let's spin more.
Alright.
You guys just spinning me in my chair. Stand off again.
They used to call me the chick hole.
Okay, go.
All right.
Don't close your eyes. That's supposed to not help.
You have to be loud if you got
Yeah,
Put your legs in. You're gonna kick me.
No, you're gonna spit him towards the ball. He's gonna hit his head.
Alright, he's falling out. Alright, come on, over here. I want to get this done.
Yeah, seriously.
This is our last day to film.
I know, guys over here. He hit me. Okay, have you been drinking? Okay, just say I don't know. Because you can't, like, clearly. Yeah. Okay, and you say you're coming with me.
3, 2, 1. What?
That was too long with dialogue, and it was slow.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Have you been drinking, sir?
I'm just at that voice that
That's the most creepiest voice I've ever heard. And that's
That's
my
what you're right.
That is my voice. I am creepy if I want.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up now.
Okay, then go on.
Okay.
Go up on her. She's a big.
Let's take the talk like you guys can take big talk for like
Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you been drinking, sir? I don't know. I just submit FNJ.
What the frick was that? Onga jonga chong. Onga jonga jonga. What did he say? What the frick was that? What? I'm a jonga jingmon.
Okay, no more messing.
Spanish?
I submitted Joe. That is supposed to be Spanish.
Alright, do that same thing, but just say you're under
Espadolka letas.
Okay.
Do you want a sandwich? Is what he meant to say.
2, 1. Wait. Oh my God.
3, 2,
I'm gonna see.
I can't do it. Yeah, like you're in South Korean, aren't you?
I'm a jama J-mon.
Alex on.
Okay.
I don't know what to get a good angle on this.
3, Have you been drinking, sir?
I don't know.
Well, you seem like you're drunk. Come with me.
Okay. Now stand up.
Okay.
Tie his hair.
Oh my god.
And then walk him down there, and then you're like waddling kind of. Wait.
No.
No, you should over this and like handcuff me. So I'm like,
Oh, that don't look right. That don't look right.
Some milk, sir.
Okay, wait. Handcuff him. Okay, with your
This is a
hold his-
problem.
Hold his hand. Together.
2, 1.
Wait. Sarah,
How
face this
romantic.
way. So, wait. What are you doing? You're okay.
He just lost his seat, sucker. Where's the adjusting thing?
She's the director of the school.
And then have to hold his.
There you go.
And you're gonna be walking this way.
Sorry about that with the videoing there. I didn't realize you were videoing.
Okay. Alright.
Both of us.
Wait.
I grab his hand. I could easily go like, boom! Right in the face. Got that actually.
Okay,
I
you're
was
right.
like,
Okay. You want to see this?
I'll edit that out as well.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Braxton, okay, Braxton, we're gonna like break out of
you're like,
You tried to insult me.
and then wait, turn around. Really good. And then you just go faster.
Well, what happens if somebody came to you?
No.
Stand over there. What you got? Go over there. And right here.
I'll edit all of the teachers like walking past out of the thing. I'm really intrigued in what's gonna happen.
And then you're gonna set up extra charges for assaulting time. You're just gonna grab his hand again. You didn't just walk this. Okay.
no, I have an idea.
No, there's no more easy.
Okay, come on.
Teacher's lounge is the jail.
Yeah, go in there. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, I'm not ready for now.
What do you?
So you're turning around like,
Together, you're like, don't drink and die.
yeah, I'm gonna
What are you gonna do? Get behind him, hold his hand.
This is a great way to film.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
3, 2. Wait. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, let me out.
I don't know. You just let him out. Just don't.
He's a grass.
Don't restrain him. You're not getting it. Don't restrain him. Just let him go.
This is gonna take forever, and she's just spinning around.
Hi.
3, 2, 1.
You can't do something.
Don't just.
Okay, you're talking
When he budges.
No, it's the problem is our
Let
trumpet.
go.
That's the problem. It's the
Don't
trumpet.
just let go like that because it just looks like you're running.
Also, you're filming The Office, and I
Alright,
kind of don't
3,
want to do that.
2, 1. Alright, now say that.
That's a
We'll
Say that's
add a
extra
sound
charges for
effect.
Assaulting a cop.
We'll add a sound effect.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Sure, that's assault. That's a. Oh, wait.
That's on. That's the Friday the 13th. Let's all go off
Okay,
Friday.
so that's extra charges for assaulting a cop. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That's extra charges for assaulting a cop.
Sounds like he's gonna have to pay you.
Time to pay.
Ungwa.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, now
That was even.
this is the very part.
That was gibberish.
This is the very last part. We say, remember not to.
Wait, can we restart it? I don't think it's
Even me? It's not gonna work.
I know.
Put it in the table.
He was
Put
like,
it in the table. Mine is stable.
Okay.
Sup, everybody? Master Day call.
no, I was gonna look. Hey, what's going on? It's your boys.
Imagine if you deleted that whole.
Skimpy. The frick.
Alright, everyone stand around. Everyone gather stand.
Wait, no, we need to do the wrong, the right way.
Oh my god, what did I do? What should I do?
Oh yeah, it's let's add a cool filter to this. The freak is that?
What the?
Whoa. We're trying to make them not regret drinking and driving, not take LSD. Jesus. What's it, flowers?
Alright, we'll just do the normal.
It's your boy, Skinny Jeans.
That's not normal. Yeah.
Not all of us are in it.
I can't see.
Gotta make sure my hair's on point.
I can't. I don't know how to do that. So.
Okay.
Can you like zoom out?
I can't.
Ow!
You can't see me, but that's okay, right?
No, get in.
Hold up, let me get it standing.
Somewhere.
Hold up, let me get it standing.
Yay!
It stood up before.
Oh, it's gay.
Guys, stop shaking the table!
Scoot back. Everybody scoot back.
Stop shaking the table, it's falling over.
All like being in group.
It was standing up
Alright,
before.
Spencer, get in.
Alright, I'm just gonna prepare it up.
Spencer, I'm gonna yell so loud.
Some of us can kneel.
That's me.
Alright, somebody kneel next to me so that we can see 3 people.
Stop moving the table!
Okay.
Oh my god!
Alright. Actually,
Stop
Rex,
moving the table.
Spencer,
Don't
kneel
move
down
the
right
table
here.
at all. Stop moving the table!
Spencer, kneel down right here.
Stop!
Don't worry about
I know.
Get the freak.
Okay, good down.
Wait, what?
No, like kneel, get on your knees.
I can't, my knees are horrible. Alright.
You're shorter.
Darn it.
You're taller. Okay, so someone press play. Someone press play. Where's play?
I don't know.
Record. Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. And then after you press record, you gotta press stop.
But there's
So that you end
a
it.
there's a timer. There's a
But I don't know
timer.
how to use it, so we can't use it.
And a countdown.
2, 3 seconds, 4, 8 seconds, 9 seconds.
Timed record.
Is there another way to
Don't
put this?
time the recording.
That's like it'll like count down until it starts.
You have 10 seconds to do it.
See, your nose is.
Can I put it in here?
Your nose is soft. Your nose is hard.
Okay, stop. Put your phone down.
Go, don't move it.
Spencer, don't worry about it. What are you trying to record anyway?
Oh my god.
Okay,
Can you please
get
just-
into position. All right,
Press it.
press record.
We'll get some now.
Put it down.
Put it on too high.
Alright. 8,
Oh my
7,
gosh. I hate that.
6. Okay.
Remember not to drink and drive. Drink and drive. Ow.
We all just said
Okay, no, wait, I gotta.
3 times.
We don't even know what we're saying.
We have to be seen.
Somebody said chicken.
I said drink and drive. Okay, we gotta all figure out what we're saying. Obviously. Oh wait, I forgot it was at this point.
I would have.
It's like you, probably.
Go.
I will nuke you.
All right, everybody, remember don't drink and drive. That's what you're saying. Remember don't drink and drive.
Drink and drive. Okay.
I actually did it right.
3, 2, 1.
Remember not to
Drive. This is horrible.
Oh.
All right, we'll just edit the last part out of that. Great. We sound like dying cats in like a chorus.
No, we should do like one. Each of us says one word.
Oh.
Don't drink and. Remember, don't drink and drive.
All right.
Remember, don't drink and drive.
Drink
Yeah, it's okay.
and
Remember, what am I saying?
You gotta say something.
Remember, don't drink and drive.
I gotta say and. That's stupid.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, you say drink. Don't worry, there's a countdown.
All right, 3. Wait, 3, 2,
Remember?
Don't drink.
and
Drive.
Freaking stupid.
That was better.
wait. We have to redo that though because you have to push stop when you're stop recording. Oh crap.
Okay, let's see it.
We'll just edit the last part out of it.
Don't drink and drive.
It's better than the other.
and drive.
No, keep the last part in there. Keep the last part in there for
Keep that.
bloopers.
I love that.
Yeah, keep
That's
it.
the
It's
greatest.
Well, we'll start from here.
You're on YouTube.
Why he gets in my head like that?
All right, this has been your boy Master Day Culk, and I'm probably gonna get sent to jail for doing something wrong. But I'll see you next time, and goodbye.